back to part 2 of our little twerk choreo. If you were not here last time, make sure to watch part 1 first, because otherwise you've missed out. If you were here, then you know that we have ended right here. Ta, 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 ta. Now what we are gonna do, we're gonna bounce to the side. We're gonna drop our butt cheeks. So ta, 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 ta. And you do this if you've not watched the tutorial before, or you forgot, or whatever, have never done this movement, no shame. You are bending your legs one by one and bringing it back. So that's what you do, as you can see, ta, 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 ta. And you just give a little bit of an accent every time you drop down. So you are here, you walk it out. Walk it out. I'm having way too much fun by myself. Lol. So you are here and you walk it out, and then if you make sure that your booty is up when you start, it will drop down. Ta, 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 ta. Make sure, because I've seen so many people do this, make sure to not push your knees in, because you are going to hurt yourself and it's going to look not so nice. So make sure that when you walk it out, your knees are pointing over your toes. Probably if you feel like you're pointing them outside of your to the outside of your feet, you're not even. You're probably still pointing them to the front. So if you have a mirror, try and do it in front of the mirror, or film yourself. Best way to check yourself. So we were here. We were going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then what we are doing is we come up and down. So it's basically 2 bounces up, but you stretch your leg for the first one, and then you come down for the second one, and you do it again. Up, down. So the whole sequence is 4 times 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Up, down, down. And you do that again. So we're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Does that make sense? I hope it does. Let's go a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hope you got that, because the last part is coming in quick. The last 8 is, so we were 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we come up again and we go ta, ta. You circle either to the left or to the right, whatever feels comfortable to you. You circle, 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 circles. 7 counts, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you scoop on 8. So we have circle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, prepare, 8. That was the end. So let's do it from the top. If you haven't done the first part yet, just jump in when we are starting the second part. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope you enjoyed this choreo. I know this went really fast, but if you didn't catch it, you can always rewind. Let me know in the comments if this was the level that you liked, if you love this choreo, and I hope to see you for my next tutorials. Bye.